It's already 11:21. We thought that we're late. We wanted the free Isa, but we couldn't. We woke up at 8 AM for this.
Baka nga, hindi ka pagkising nun eh. Nung minessage kita, kakagising ko lang.
Ako, nag-film na ako. Nag-graduate. Oo.
Ako hindi na. Saan kaya yun? Feel ko naligaw sila. Pabalik sila.
Feel ko hindi yan.
Feeling ko itong harap. Kasi may mga nagbababaan kanina dun eh.
Ah, si Kuya. Guys, we're also lost kasi we don't know the building. We're here and we're parked here. Oh, there ka. There. We saw some girls na they went there. Pero we know na hindi dun yung building. So, they're definitely lost and we're also lost. Tanong natin kung saan sila pupunta. And if they're gonna go to the Isa.
Sige, go.
Asan na? Come on, let's wait. Oh my gosh. Dalawa naman na we're gonna go kasi I'm very easy. Oh my gosh. It's like cats. Oh yeah, definitely here. We tried. Oh yeah! Guys. Guys, we just got our fresco pass. Finally, we're going on. Guys, I was gonna vlog today, but I forgot.
Oh my gosh! Hi vlog! I wanna vlog too.
It's fun.
Hi Elaine's vlog.
Hi.
I am Mecca. This is Han. We're the OA duo.
They are.
No, she's the OA pink duo.
She's the only OA one here.
Look.
Pag may naririnig kayong noise sa pop-up, silang dalawa.
No! It's her. It's only her. Baliw.
Wala namang oras yun. Kahit anong oras nga.
Hindi kailangan bago mag... Oh my God, nasa...
Guys, ako.
May bininig na pang iba. Akala ko meron.
Sila.
Akala ko meron. Asan na yung sun? Ito. Tama sa ito. Bago nilang labas. Ganda nga nung shade na nakuha ko eh. Sakto sa akin.
Hi guys! We are on the way to Vice Cosmetics.
Nag-change ako ng fit.
She's wearing Isa. We bought Isa. We're on the way.
Hindi ako lalabas na dito ako.
Hi guys! Sana hindi mawala yung makeup namin sa init.
Nag-spray ako ng sea makeup.
Sana wala natin ang free. It's up there. The Vice Cosmetics event is up there. It's the last one. It's currently 1:38 PM. So, here ba? Ito. Here. But it, ayun o. Guys, this is it.
Actually, if hindi sila manalo sa isang activity.
Ano ba?
Yeah, so also don't forget to mark your calendars, everyone. The first ever Sun Care line of Vice Cosmetics will be launching exclusively first on TikTok. It's out.
And this would really be a day of unstoppable surprises, and may you all have a good time.
Yes, kindly wait for our Sunwear surprise time.
Correct. Ang dami nating surprises for them. Don't forget to tag us at Vice Cosmetics PH when you post your ultimate sunwear experience with the hashtags #sunwear everywhere and #stay sunstoppable.
see you again.
Guys, this is my song. We're here in the... I'm so overwhelmed. I'm so overwhelmed. This is like the... I am dying. There's a sun where... This is a lot. This is so hot. This is so a lot. Girl. Oh my gosh, I need ice cream.
It's some water.
We made it in life.
Yeah. Nandito na kami sa dream namin.
We made it in life.
Sana pumunta si Where Sunscreen tsaka si Joseph.
March. Guys, we're waiting for big influencers. We're gonna take pictures. Wait lang, kailangan natin mag-picture.
More than water.
Okay. Guys, it's so hot. We're gonna die. This is a lot, but thank God there's free water. What do you say? What can you say?
Fun but hot. Literal yung sunstoppable. Girl,
Hindi
literal.
ako nag-sunscreen sa katawan, guys.
Ako rin eh.
Oh my God.
Hey guys, itong hashtag nila is legit. Sunstoppable talaga.
Buti na lang mahangin.
Ito, may drink stop tayo.
Buti na lang
So
mahangin,
guys, ito yung mga pwede naming ma-claim
Oh my gosh, wala pang data. Ay, wala pang signal.
Raffle entry. Invisible shield sampler.
Come on, let's film it ito.
Infinite match. Okay, so 2 activities plus infinite match. Qualified na kayo sa ating PR kit giveaway. So you just have to drop your passport sa ating Sunwear bar. We have a huge acrylic box there. And later i-raffle natin yan on the spot.
Ilan ba yung mananalo ng PR kit dyan?
Ilan ba gusto manalo ng PR kit?
Sino bang gusto ng PR kits? Marami!
Guys,
Tara, uwi na tayo.
Ay, maraming may gusto.
Alright, later guys, we will draw the winner. Or...
Pwede bang maghulog din ako? Para...
Okay. Hindi pwede.
And the tote bag winners.
Ayan.
Ano gusto kong gamitin for
hi guys. We're currently sitting
Dahil sinabi mo yun, na manifest. Ito na. Ang ating next
Should we get the
set of
ice cream
winners.
na?
Maya.
Here, let's see.
May winners on
Waiting tayo sa prizes.
Where are they?
Ay, tayo at ayan. Number 15, 19, 69,
Wala kami, guys.
103,
Nanalo ako sa raffle, but
169,
tumbler.
and 217.
Congratulations for winning the Invisible Shield Sun Cream.
And we
Ayan, dito
also
ba pa kayo
got mango
guys?
drinks.
Yung winners natin. Ayan, dito matakbo na.
We're currently waiting for the PR raffle. And I won this. So hopefully I'm lucky again. This is good.
We're waiting for the other giveaway.
We also have
As of now, sila din pa lang yung first. na po, ang sakit ng spark niya.
Meron rin ako nakuha ang free tumbler. Guys, itong lip tint nila may SPF. May nagulat may SPF. Kapitid.
Malayon sa'yo. At least, alam mo na yung shade mo.